Hello, and welcome to VeEX Broadband Basics. My name is Mike Collins, and I'm a product manager at VeEX. This series of videos is designed to provide you with an overview of the fundamental features of our CATV products. Every video will highlight features from our broadband field meters. This video is about the CX310 and an exciting new feature called RP Spectrum, RP for Return Path. This new feature is a powerful analyzer with advanced spectrum capabilities to detect return path impairments. The new RP Spectrum feature replaces the ingress mode in the CX310. The RP Spectrum covers a frequency range from 5 MHz to 208 MHz, designed for high split return applications. Its noise floor sensitivity is better than -50 dBmV. Additionally, the RP Spectrum offers fast, real-time response, ensuring that no transient events are missed across the full high-split return path spectrum. The spectrum view and its functions resembles those of a true spectrum analyzer. It features selectable reference levels, V-scale, span, and settings for hold and persistence, allowing users to adjust and fine-tune the trace effectively. Additionally, the trace view is configurable. Users can set the start, stop, and center frequencies by selecting the function and adjusting the frequencies accordingly. There is also a frequency bar located at the bottom, which enables zooming in and out of the trace. The RP Spectrum is also supported with the current hit profiles. It's important to note that the vertical and hold markers are available but positioned in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, represented by the M with the plus sign on top. By selecting this M+, users can display the markers for both vertical and horizontal measurements on the bottom of the screen. The default screen for the RP Spectrum is configured for ingress detection, with the hold setting set to max. This ensures that the spectrum trace can quickly and accurately capture any fast transient ingress or impairments. The sensitivity of the spectrum is excellent, with a noise floor better than -50 dBmV, making it very effective for detecting low-level ingress. Also note that the M button, or the M+ button on the bottom, was activated and the markers are now being shown on the bottom. A new feature for the CX310 is the persistence mode. This mode utilizes a heat map to detect noise beneath UCD carriers. The sensitivity of the persistence measurements allows for the detection of any ingress events occurring under an active bursty SE-QAM and OFDM signal. The color coding used in persistence mode provides a visual representation of signal detection. Dark blue indicates that the signal has been briefly detected, meaning it is the least persistent. As the colors progress from blue to green to yellow, they represent increasing levels of signal persistence. Red indicates the highest level of signal persistence, effectively representing an active or hot signal. Note the detected activity within the OFDMA carrier, just below the persistence setting. This activity represents an OUDP bursty signal, OFDMA upstream data profile. Cable modems can be configured by the CMTS to generate OUDP signals, which are used for detecting RF leakage. More on this topic later. In this example, we observe significant transient noise resembling beats detected in the 5 to 20 MHz range. This range is known to have a lot of noise in many cable plants in the field. Ideally, this noise should not be present, as it can impair actual upstream carriers. Its presence is a concern, making it crucial to identify these impairments that may be obscured by the carriers. Our customers appreciate the max hold feature, which is useful for identifying noise. However, it does have its limitations. Over time, max hold tends to erase evidence of detected noise, especially when upstream traffic occurs which can overshadow any weaker signal or noise that was previously identified. The advantage of using persistence is that it provides a time-based heat map, displaying all detected noises and signals over a specific duration. For example, if a technician has only a few minutes to troubleshoot, they can easily capture a screenshot in persistence mode within just a few minutes. This information can be saved as a test file for future action by maintenance crews at that location. This concludes this video on the CX310 and the RP spectrum mode. Thank you and stay tuned for more VeEX Broadband Basic videos.